Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a tactical infrastructure breakdown of Airtable, evaluating whether this low-code relational database engine is the absolute ultimate command center for modern enterprise workflows, or a punishing financial trap that penalizes scaling development teams. Moving way past basic flat spreadsheets, Airtable operates as a highly programmable visual workspace that pairs the absolute simplicity of a cell grid with the underlying architecture of a relational SQL database system. The undisputed mechanical triumph of this platform is its deeply integrated interface designer matrix, allowing creators to build custom interactive dashboards, action trackers, and multi-user client portals directly on top of their live datasets without writing a single line of code. This layout is backed by highly flexible native automations, specialized Kanban layers, and powerful API webhooks that instantly synchronize data across tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Google Drive. However, pulling back this polished dashboard exposes strict operational ceilings and steep billing spikes that draw heavy backlash across startup communities. The single most prominent hurdle is the platform's incredibly aggressive row limitation model, where exceeding your tier's strict record threshold instantly freezes your active data pipelines or forces your entire company into steep premium seat upgrades. This severe operational friction is further compounded by a highly restrictive attachment storage cap, paired with an advanced permission framework that locks crucial row-level access controls behind expensive enterprise licenses, leaving growing teams highly vulnerable to accidental data modification. Ultimately, if you are an operations director, digital agency founder, or product manager demanding beautiful, centralized data visualization and rapid, no-code workflow automation, the incredible ecosystem velocity provides an unassailable operational advantage. But if you manage massive, multi-million-row back-end datasets on a restricted software budget, weigh these strict pricing limits carefully against your long-term expansion goals. Calculate your exact weekly record ingestion rates, test their fresh formulas, and leverage this relational engine to optimize your business database today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.